JK Sports! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. Today we made a crazy Hot Wheels track. So, I don't really know what the best angle would be, so I'll just show you the track. Start up here, go down the ramp here, get to this part, this swervy part, and then you go through here, through these spinner thingies, and then you go up and jump off that ramp. So yeah, I don't know the best way you guys will be able to see all this, but yeah, it's real pretty. Okay, so, here, what I'll do is so, let's get this started. Okay, guys, I've got the car right here. So, yeah, here's the track. So, yeah, if I didn't make myself clear, when we go down here, we'll be going through this one, not this one. I mean, you can also kind of tell because there's nothing attached to that. And also, you guys will realize when it gets to this part, it'll stop. And that's because I have to do this with my hand and let that go. So, yeah. Go ahead and turn these off. So, yeah. Hopefully this works. Because, yeah. So, here we go. Okay, got to this point. Looks like it's flipped over, but that's okay. I'll just do that, and then here we go. Just gotta let that go. I don't know if you just saw that or not. So yeah, I'll go like 2 more times to see if this works any better on those 2 times. That time I actually flipped over. I think what the problem is right here, they're disconnecting, so I'll fix that real quick. Okay, I fixed it. Here we go. Attempt number 2. Turn that around. Oh man, it's turning. Okay, like that. Right. Oh, it came off again. I really thought this would work. I didn't know it flipped over. I thought it would just go. I don't know what the problem is here. Aha! Oh, come on! How is it doing that? I don't know. Maybe it's this right here. I don't know. So now, I'm just gonna set you up for this part here, so you can see that when I do this. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I don't know if the jump is as good as my other 2 Hot Wheels videos have been. I don't think the jump's as good this time, but I do know that, but I do know that this is kind of a cooler track because, like, it goes down. So, yeah. I don't know why. This is, like, moved or shifted or something. I don't know. Because, yeah, I think it's my coolest Hot Wheels track so far because it goes down here, goes up there, goes through those 2 turns, then it goes through that, and then it goes off that ramp. So here we go. Let's 3rd and probably final try. Goes down there, and it made it perfectly good. Really good. So you guys. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I think I'll go ahead and do 2 more goes with it. I mean, because I think I figured out the way to do this. I have to hold on to this here. Yep, that's how you do it. And boom. One more time. So yeah. I know it's... There we go. It wasn't focused for some reason. So here we go. Put this down. Oh, it flipped. Oh, wow. I just found a different car that I was looking for, but I guess I found it, so I'm going to use this one for the last go. Here we go. Let's try. Got all the way down there. It looks like it got stuck. I'll give you a little push. Here. Right there. Going through that thing. There it goes. Okay. So guys, yeah. That actually worked pretty well. Not as good as I was hoping, but it still worked. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell. And I'll see you next time from IJK Sports.